welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 25th to the 29th of May 2026 on Monday. Kazimulo's greatest fear becomes reality. Nonka chooses peace over family. Surely be puff and passes. On Tuesday, Lily reaches out to Nonka through a letter while Dr. Bugeliwe derails Lily's therapy progress. Mbata realizes that attending the World Cup may just become a distant dream when he finds out how much it all cost on Wednesday. Kazimulo's paranoia seems to have subsided until Geja walks into his bedroom without knocking. Lily thanks Madonge for not giving up on her, and Madlamini goes to Mbata after learning the truth about their World Cup trip on Thursday. Kazimulo's paranoia deepens as he takes matters into his own hand. Lily's attempt at redemption ends in a devastation when her psychologist tear her down. Meanwhile, Sholipi plays her game smoothly, proving she is already thinking 10 steps ahead. On Friday, Nonka shut the door on a painful chapter while she celebrates life into another. Sholipi runs a successful scam throughout the day only for her to be scammed. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.